Hi guys, here is my second assignment for season 2. You can see my code here. For this one, I created a multiplication table. This Python program generates a multiplication table for a number entered by the user. It uses a loop to multiply the given number by value from 1 to 10 and displays the result in a clear and formatted output. Now let's try running the program. Does it works? I will show you. Okay, I will start run. Okay, enter the number you want to multiply. I will choose 8 and then I enter. Okay, multiplication table for 8 is like here. Okay, multiplication table for 8, the result like this. You can see, yeah, it works perfectly. Okay, thank you very much.